So we're going to quickly look at how to edit YouTube auto-generated captions and check them for consistency with some manual edits. When you upload a video to YouTube, captions are typically generated automatically. These are called Autogen captions, and when you play them on your video, they may or may not be accurate depending on the audio quality and the subject matter. These captions are generated by a machine learning algorithm using speech recognition automatically on the YouTube site. So first off, you have to be logged into your YouTube account rather, and you have to have ownership of the video. So here I am in my YouTube account. This is my video. I'm going to click on it. And right away we can see that it does have closed captions. These are going to be auto-generated. So once I click on the video, I'm going to click the blue Edit Video button. This brings me to the Video Manager view. On the top you can see there is a link that says subtitles/closed captions. Let's click on that link. Now I have a new view and I have a big blue Add New Subtitles or CC button, but you'll see that I also have this Published English Automatic. This refers to the automatic auto-generated captions and the language that was detected. So I'm going to click on this to see those captions. Now we have another view, and on the right hand side we have the video, and on the left hand side we have the transcript with the timings. So to make changes to the auto-generated content, click the edit button above the video, and now you'll see that I can play the video here on the right, and I can just click anywhere I want within the auto-generated captions to make edits. So in this case I've already checked this for consistency, but I could play it and compare the audio to the generated captions. This is a very short video. I know that it's actually pretty accurate already. You might note this checkbox down here to pause the video while typing. If you start typing, it will pause the video automatically. So let's play it just to get a sense.
Technology Initiative at CSUSB.
Okay.
From the main website.
What I'd like to do is I'd like to capitalize some of this here. So this is it. This is the process of manually checking the auto-generated captions from YouTube. It's essential to do this process to make sure that the captions are of sufficient quality to meet accessibility requirements. Auto-generated captions alone are not sufficient for accessibility requirements. I've made my edits and now I'm going to publish them. It's as simple as that. Don't forget to add punctuation and capitalization to your captions. The Accessible Technology Initiative at California State University, San Bernardino. We're part of Academic Technology and Innovation under the Division of Information Technology Services. If you'd like to contact us, email us at accessibility@csusb.edu or dial 909-537-5079.